Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're going to discuss about the biography of newly elected President of India, the first citizen of India, Srimati Droupadi Murmu. So without any further ado, let's begin with our video. Droupadi Murmu is the 15th and the current President of India. She is also the former Cabinet Minister of Odisha and the former Governor of Jharkhand. She was born in a humble family based in a remote village of Mayurbhanj, a tribal district of Odisha. And Droupadi Murmu had worked as an assistant teacher and a junior assistant in Odisha State Irrigation Department. Droupadi Murmu started her political journey with the BJP way back in the 1997, and she has worked as a councillor in Rairangpur. She has also worked as a president of Scheduled Tribe Morcha of the BJP Odisha unit before being elected twice to Odisha State Legislative Assembly on BJP ticket, and she also served as a cabinet minister during 2002 to 2004 in Naveen Patnaik led BJD and BJP coalition government, where she was felicitated with the Best Legislative Member award. Droupadi Murmu was born on June 20, 1958 in Odisha's Mayurbhanj. Born in a Santal community, Santals are the tribals who were situated in Odisha. The 64-year-old struggled with poverty in her childhood in one of the most remote and underdeveloped districts of the country. She has a bachelor's degrees in art from Ramadevi Women's College in Bhubaneswar. Droupadi Murmu has served as a junior assistant in the irrigation and the power department in the Odisha government. The BJP leader has also served as an honorary assistant teacher in Sri Aurobindo Integral Education Center in Rairangpur. Murmu's personal life has been marked with tragedies as she lost her husband Shamcharan Murmu and her two sons. Droupadi Murmu started her political career in 1997 as the councillor in Rairangpur Nagar Panchayat. In 2000, she became a minister during the BJP-BJD coalition government in Odisha. She has conferred the Nilkat Award in the 2007 for the best MLA by the Odisha Legislative Assembly. She has been an MLA twice on BJP ticket from Odisha's Rairangpur, which is from 2002 and 2009, and she held on her seat when BJD snapped ties with the BJP in 2009 elections, which CM Naveen Patnaik swept. Murmu has handled the Odisha's government, transport, commerce, fisheries, and the animal husbandry ministries. She was vice president and later president of BJP's scheduled tribe Morcha in Odisha. Droupadi Murmu was also elected as the BJP's district president of the Mayurbhanj West unit in 2010, and she was re-elected in 2013. The leader was also named as a BJP National Executive, which is also known as ST Morcha member, the same year. In 2015, she was appointed the governor of Jharkhand, becoming the first ever tribal leader at the post. Though Draupadi Murmu's personal life remained full of struggle and tragedy, she touched the pinnacle in the public life and achieved monumental records in politics and social services. She lost her husband and two grown-up sons, but she stood strong on all occasions. Draupadi Murmu created history as she became the first woman governor of Jharkhand, the first tribal governor of a tribal state, the first Odisha-born woman to be a governor. She lost her husband Shamcharan and her two sons. One of them is Lakshman Murmu in 2009, and she is living with her only daughter Itishri Murmu, who is a bank employee. Draupadi Murmu is the 15th President of India, and she was born on June 20, 1958 in a Santal tribal family in Mayurbhanj, Odisha. She is the first person from India's designated tribal communities to be elected president. She is the youngest and the first individual born after India's independence in 1947 to have been elected president. Murmu is the only second woman after Pratibha Patil to serve as the President of India. Her life remained of struggle and tragedy as she lost her husband Shamcharan Murmu, and she is right now living with her only daughter Idishri Murmu. Hope you have been inspired from the tragic story of Mrs. Droupadi Murmu. If you do, please give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till that time, signing off, Snigdha.